Is your son or daughter in year 10, 11 or 12? And do you want to make sure their grades don't slip during the current disruption and school closures? As an award-winning high school teacher, exam board marker and online study coach, I know that this is a massive opportunity for aspirational students to really get ahead in their study. So many parents are really concerned right now by what school closures might mean for ATARs, exams, senior years and their child's progress, and for their teens' motivation and focus when they're trying to study from home. That's why I've created the 7-step parent checklist. It's a download that covers everything from the nitty-gritty, like how to tackle essays and take efficient notes that actually make the information they're learning go in and stay in their brains, right through to how to manage their time and focus so that tasks don't end up taking twice as long as they should because they're getting distracted. And I want to gift this to as many parents as possible because I know this situation is a unique opportunity for students to get the skills and techniques and strategies they've likely been missing all this time but didn't realize because they were just too busy with everything in school or sport or work. And this is an opportunity for them to get ahead and achieve better than ever before, to actually become stronger, more confident and more effective as a student. So click on the download button now and I'll deliver this checklist straight to your inbox. It's full of parent-friendly lingo with explanations of the 7 most important steps, strategies and skills that parents need to know about right now. So if you're concerned about your son or daughter staying focused or concerned about them completing everything that's being set for them and emailed to them and actually still making progress during this time rather than just treading water and kind of surviving whilst you're crossing your fingers and hoping that it's all just going to be okay in terms of their grades, exams and results and what comes next, then be the proactive parent your teen will thank you for, even if they don't show it right away, and go download the checklist now.